My name is Greg Harris. I'm a representative from the 13th District of Illinois, which is the north side of Chicago. Also a recovering substance abuser. So, I understand, what we're talking about here, from a personal level, not just as, somebody who's responsible in my community. We're taking care of people because every family in Illinois is touched by issues of substance abuse and by addiction these days, by problems with mental health, by trouble in the family. And every single family is going to need to reach out one day and is going to need some help. And starting with the cuts that Governor Blagojevich made and continuing to the cuts that we have here today, people are not going to find that help when they need it, and tragedy is going to ensue in our households. And it's going to spill out onto our blocks. When those budget cuts came down last year for the substance abuse and the mental health treatment providers in the last governor's budget, we saw it in our neighborhoods. We saw the people out panhandling increase because they didn't have a place to go. We saw the petty crimes. We saw the snatch and grabs of people's purses while they were waiting for the bus. And that's because people who wanted to turn their lives around, wanted to get treatment, and wanted to get well suddenly were left in the lurch. So, 5 cents a drink, it's a small price to pay because one way or another, all of us in our communities are paying the price if our neighbors, if our family and our friends don't get help.